Creating a balanced plate is a practical, sustainable approach to ensuring that each meal provides sufficient protein, fiber, healthy fats, and micronutrients to support overall health, energy, and long-term wellness. The concept emphasizes variety and portion control rather than strict restrictions, making it accessible for people of all ages and lifestyles. By dividing the plate thoughtfully, roughly half vegetables, a quarter protein, and a quarter whole grains, with healthy fats added as needed, individuals can meet daily nutrient needs while maintaining satiety, stable energy, and digestive comfort. This approach also encourages moderation, allowing for occasional indulgences without compromising the overall balance of nutrients. A balanced plate supports muscle maintenance, heart health, digestive function, metabolic efficiency, and cognitive performance, all of which are vital for sustaining health and activity throughout life. High-quality protein sources form a foundational component of a balanced plate. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef provide complete protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins that support muscle repair, metabolic function, and red blood cell production. Eggs supply complete protein with choline, selenium, and antioxidants, which promote brain health and muscle function. Plant-based proteins such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, tofu, and edamame contribute protein along with fiber, phytonutrients, iron, and magnesium, supporting digestive health, energy metabolism, and cardiovascular wellness. Nuts and seeds provide a combination of protein, healthy fats, vitamin E, and minerals that improve heart and musculoskeletal health. Whole grains like quinoa, farro, buckwheat, and brown rice complement these proteins with fiber, complex carbohydrates, and micronutrients, enhancing satiety, nutrient absorption, and stable blood sugar. Vegetables supply vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, while fruits add natural sweetness, phytonutrients, and additional fiber, further balancing the plate. Together, these food groups ensure that each meal is nutrient-dense, satiating, and supportive of overall health. Practical implementation of a balanced plate can be visualized and applied to all meals. For breakfast, a balanced plate might include a vegetable omelet made with 2 eggs, sautéed spinach, tomatoes, and peppers, paired with a small serving of oatmeal topped with chia seeds and berries, and a side of almonds or a teaspoon of nut butter. This breakfast provides complete protein, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, delivering steady energy and promoting satiety for several hours. For lunch, a balanced plate could feature a grilled chicken breast or baked tofu, paired with half the plate of mixed vegetables such as broccoli, zucchini, and carrots, and a quarter plate of whole grains like quinoa or farro, drizzled with olive oil or avocado for healthy fats. This meal provides a synergy of macronutrients, micronutrients, and fiber to sustain energy, support muscle repair, and maintain blood sugar stability. Dinner can follow the same visual structure: salmon or lentils for protein, roasted vegetables like Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers filling half the plate, and a quarter plate of brown rice or buckwheat, with seeds or a small portion of nuts sprinkled on top. Each meal combines complete protein, fiber, healthy fats, and phytonutrients, ensuring comprehensive nutrient coverage while promoting satisfaction and digestive comfort. While creating balanced plates is highly beneficial, there are cautions to consider. Overloading the protein quota without including sufficient vegetables or whole grains may provide adequate amino acids, but insufficient fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, potentially affecting digestive health, satiety, and long-term metabolic balance. Conversely, a plate heavily weighted with grains or vegetables without adequate protein may leave the body undernourished in amino acids, which are essential for muscle repair, hormone production, and enzymatic activity. Excessive fats, even healthy fats, can increase caloric intake if portion sizes are ignored, which may impact weight management. To optimize benefits, it is important to measure portion sizes thoughtfully, rotate protein sources, and pair them with vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and modest healthy fats in accordance with hunger cues, activity level, and overall dietary goals. The positive effects of consistently creating balanced plates extend far beyond satiety. Protein supports muscle maintenance, metabolic function, and recovery, while fiber from vegetables, fruits, and whole grains improves gut microbiome diversity, digestion, and cholesterol regulation. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, olive oil, or fatty fish enhance nutrient absorption, cardiovascular health, and anti-inflammatory processes. By combining these macronutrients with micronutrient-rich foods, Balanced plates can stabilize blood sugar, enhance energy levels, and support cognitive function. Balanced meals also reduce the tendency for mindless snacking, overeating, or excessive reliance on processed foods, fostering long-term dietary adherence, satisfaction, and resilience. Moderation and variety in plate composition further ensure that meals remain enjoyable and sustainable rather than restrictive, supporting a positive relationship with food. Practical strategies for applying this approach include meal prep and visual plate planning. Preparing pre-cut vegetables, cooked whole grains, and pre-portioned proteins in advance makes assembling balanced plates fast and convenient. Rotating between protein sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes ensures nutrient diversity while keeping meals interesting. Adding fruits, nuts, seeds, or small amounts of cheese or dark chocolate can enhance flavor and sensory satisfaction, reinforcing mindful eating without compromising overall balance. Adjusting plate composition based on hunger, activity level, and personal preferences allows flexibility while maintaining nutrient adequacy. Using a half-plate vegetable, quarter protein, quarter grain framework consistently across meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner creates a visual and practical system that simplifies meal planning and promotes healthful habits. Ultimately, creating a balanced plate every time is a foundational strategy for achieving nutrient adequacy, supporting muscle and metabolic health, promoting satiety, and maintaining long-term well-being. Meals such as vegetable omelets with oats and nuts, grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables, salmon with brown rice and broccoli, tofu stir-fry with mixed grains and vegetables, or lentil salads with seeds and avocado illustrate how the framework can be applied practically, deliciously, and sustainably. By emphasizing protein, fiber, and healthy fats in each meal while allowing variety and small indulgences, individuals can optimize health outcomes, maintain energy, support recovery, and foster a positive, enjoyable relationship with food. This approach ensures that every meal is both functional and satisfying, creating a foundation for long-term dietary success, resilience, and overall vitality.